Hello everybody and welcome to another tropical update. Today is September 20th, 2021 and the tropics are getting very active, you guys. So we currently have 2 tropical storms and 2 areas of potential tropical development. And you're looking at the 5-day graphical tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center. So we have Tropical Storm Peter located north of the Virgin Islands, and then Tropical Storm Rose located about 500 to 600 miles west-northwest of the Cape Verde Islands. And then we have a tropical wave off the southwestern African coast with a 30% chance of tropical development over the next 48 hours and an 80% chance of tropical development over the next 5 days. And then we have another area in the northern Atlantic with only a 30% chance of tropical development over the next 5 days. So we're going to be looking at the tracks and the intensity for Peter and Rose, and we're going to be seeing where they're going to be going and how strong they are forecasted to get. So here are the spaghetti models for Tropical Storm Peter, and as you can see, it is forecasted to move northwest through about Thursday morning, and then it's going to make a sharp curve to the northeast towards Bermuda. And it's only going to be approaching Bermuda as a 40-mile-per-hour weak tropical storm. So you guys in Bermuda should only be dealing with some gusty winds and some heavy rain, but no really damaging impacts from Tropical Storm Peter. Tropical Storm Rose is going to be affecting nobody and is going to be moving out to sea. And then we're going to have to be looking at Invest 98AL, which is forecasted to move west and then northwest toward the central Atlantic Ocean. And then we're going to have to continue to watch it over the coming several days because the models could shift to the west and it could move towards the Caribbean islands or even the southeastern United States over the next couple of weeks. So we're going to have to keep an eye on Invest 98AL. So we're going to be now looking at the intensity guidance models for each of these systems, for all 3 of these systems. So here is the intensity model guidance for Tropical Storm Peter, and most of the models gradually weaken Tropical Storm Peter to a low-end tropical storm and a tropical depression over the next 2 to 5 days. But there is a cluster of models that actually strengthens Tropical Storm Peter to a strong tropical storm, and even about 3-4 models taking Peter to a Category 1 hurricane. So we're going to have to actually watch Peter over the next several days, especially if you're in Bermuda. If this storm ends up being stronger than is currently projected, you guys are going to have to watch out for it. And then for Tropical Storm Rose, majority of the models again gradually weaken it to a low-end tropical storm, with several models taking it to a tropical depression. But again, there's another 5-6 models that take Rose up to a strong tropical storm, and even 2 that take it to a hurricane. But again, like I said, this won't be affecting land, so it won't really matter with this one. However, Invest 98AL, the models are in good agreement that this one is going to be strengthening to at least a mid-grade tropical storm over the next week, with several models taking it towards a Category 1 hurricane and about 3 models taking it to a Category 2 hurricane. So Invest 98AL is going to be the system to pay most attention to if you're living in the United States over the next coming week or so. So thanks for watching my tropical update, and you guys have a wonderful afternoon.